Are you wondering how to integrate CrankWheel with Calendly to streamline your scheduling and video calling? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through exactly how to link the two platforms, along with some pros and cons to consider. Stick around until the end, because we'll also show you an even better solution that might fit your needs and comes with an exclusive free trial. To get started with the integration, the first thing you need to do is log into both your CrankWheel and Calendly accounts. If you don't have them, be sure to sign up. Calendly is all about making scheduling super simple, and CrankWheel adds a live video call feature that can make meetings smoother. Next, you'll want to navigate to the CrankWheel app and find the Integrations section. CrankWheel allows you to add Calendly by selecting it from the list of supported integrations. Once you choose Calendly, you'll be prompted to link your Calendly account by logging into it directly through CrankWheel. It's a straightforward process, but you may need to allow access permissions for CrankWheel to interact with your Calendly schedule. Once the accounts are connected, the magic happens. Whenever someone books an appointment with you through Calendly, CrankWheel will automatically send them a link to your live video session. This is great if you're using video for sales, support, or consultations. The process is simple, but it can make a huge difference in how your appointments are managed. Now, let's talk about the experience with CrankWheel and Calendly. While the integration is smooth, you may encounter a few hiccups. CrankWheel doesn't always support all the features you'd expect in video conferencing tools, like screen sharing or breakout rooms, which can limit your experience if you need more robust capabilities. Calendly is also great for scheduling, but if you're handling a lot of meetings or need advanced features like custom branding, you may want to look into their premium plans. Now, here's the thing, if you're looking for a way to seamlessly integrate scheduling with video calls, but also want a more feature-packed tool, I'd recommend checking out some other options. While CrankWheel and Calendly get the job done, they don't quite stack up to alternatives like Zoom or Microsoft Teams, especially if you're looking for more control over your meetings or need a more robust calendar system. So, here's the exciting part. If you stick around until the end, we've got an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you'll get an extended free trial for CrankWheel, plus we've added some fantastic alternatives that are even better for those who need seamless scheduling and more advanced video conferencing features. These alternatives also come with free trials, giving you the flexibility to try them before you commit. To sum up, integrating CrankWheel with Calendly is a great way to streamline your appointment scheduling and video meetings, but there are definitely better alternatives out there. Be sure to take advantage of the best free trials and exclusive benefits through our link, only available to our viewers.